Hello my crafty friends, it's Sheree. How's everyone doing today? Welcome to my craft room. I'm here to share a couple of ideas how I'm using my recently acquired Globleland.com items that I picked up during, since I collaborate with them. So, if you saw my unboxing, I got these beautiful ribbons, and I should have known, but I didn't realize how much I would be getting. So when I opened the package, I was like, oh my goodness, what have I done? So I have all this beautiful blue ribbon here. That's the one I'm going to use today for sure. And I'm going to see, I would love to use this beautiful pink one too that I love so much. It's gorgeous. I hope it's coming through about how, so you can see how pretty it is. But yeah, so I'm going to have these linked below. I think, the reason I collaborate with these companies like Globleland is because they have really nice products, products I can put into my stash and know that I'm going to be able to use it. You know what I mean? Like, I don't pick out just anything. I pick out things I'm definitely going to be able to use. So, or at least I try to. So anyway, I've been working on these little trashy junk journals here, and I know they're not looking so trashy, but really all of these things are scraps that I have used so far. Cutouts from magazines. The only thing that wasn't trash was this bunny so far on these projects. And so today I wanted to use, I love this blue one too. I just love this color, and I think it's going to go beautiful. I can put a layer of this right here. And I think it'll be so cute on the cover of this. I like, if I can, I'm not, don't do it too often, but I think I can layer this piece in right here, and it's going to just look so adorable. All these little kind of Easter egg colors here, and this will end up being a little spring Eastery type trashy journal. So let's do this. I'm going to make a little cut right here and go ahead and put this little piece, and I'll just show you. This is the grosgrain ribbon, so nice, thick, quality ribbon. The color is, I'm going to say the color is brilliant on both of these, like as far as just a very beautiful color is all I can say. A beautiful color. Beautiful colors on these two. So, since ribbons are usually kind of like a fabric, I always use some fabric tack with them. So I'm going to put, I think I'll put it on here so I don't get it anywhere I don't want it. And I'm going to try to slip it. It's going to go over this bunny, I think, a little bit right here, but under these ribbons. So let's see how we can do this, and let's see how it looks once we get it down. I'm going to put a good amount here on the back, and then see if I can spread it out a little bit. I was crafting earlier, and I already washed all the glue off my hands, but I'm sure I'll have to do it again. So let me see. I don't want to get glue everywhere, like I said. So I'm going to slip this under that ribbon right there, and then kind of just layer it over that fabric that I've already put on the spine there, because I just wanted to, well, I knew from the second I saw this, I knew I wanted to put it on here. And I auditioned, and I was like, oh my goodness, that is so adorable to add that color in there. I have polka dots here, I have polka dots here, a little gingham and a little gingham, and it's just going to be so cute. So I'm just going to press that down all along there. And I don't see any glue through that ribbon or anything at all through it. So very nice quality ribbon there. So here's the back. This is pink cardstock. This is the pink fabric that I put on here, and it's got a nice straight line. This is actually was the selvage edge of the fabric that I used, so it's a really nice and straight. I could leave it like that and not have any problem at all, but I kind of would like to put something there and kind of use it as something to join those two pieces together, and it will be a third piece. The rule of threes sometimes can go on something like this too. So back here, I think I'll go ahead and add a piece of this pink. And then I hope to add some more of the ribbons that I got, and you know, the other set that I showed you in the unboxing. I have one of them. There were 2 sets that came with this other package of these ribbons, if you remember, if you saw that video. And so those I hope to use on these other journals that I'm working on. You haven't seen this one, I'll show you in a second. But yeah, I'll have all the links to the products down below. Like I said, I collaborate with Globleland.com. So they let me pick out products that I can demonstrate for you and use in my crafting. And so I'll have the links and a coupon code for you and their website link. So, you know, if you just want to check it out, if you've never checked it out before, just check it out and see what they have. That's what I would do. And then you'll have that knowledge for the future if you do need something. And if you remember my coupon code, that'll be good for you too, to get 10% off. I believe it is. So isn't that pretty? It makes a nice little kind of brings all that together. And it's so pretty, bringing all the pinks together there. And I think it needed a little something there too. It adds that extra special touch. So, and it went down just fine. Again, I can't see any glue through that nice thick grosgrain there. So I think this cover is turning out super cute. So I used 2 of the ribbons, and I'll use the rest of them in my 3rd demonstration video. But I started this cover too. Still getting over my little cold in my throat there. But yeah, I started this journal too, and I used this this cover, and I used some patchwork of scraps here. So that's, you know, trashy things that a lot of people throw in the trash. And this little piece that I showed you in the last video where I worked on these covers, I said I needed a wider cover, and I pulled this out because this was another one that I had not painted on. So this one's, I'm getting this one ready to go too. I may put something else on the back here too, some of that ribbon in the next video, because that one includes reds that I can use on these journal covers with reds in them. Here's the other 3. So we worked on this one today, added that pretty blue ribbon, and here's the pink one on the back. So cute, right? So really adds a nice touch to both sides there. So thanks for watching today. I hope you enjoyed those products. Thank you, Globleland, for letting me demonstrate your beautiful products, and I'll see you all in my next video. Have a great day.